You guys, the game has changed. It's changed big time. We're living in a digital age where content is king. And if you're a copywriter, you know the hustle is real. You're constantly grinding, trying to stay ahead of the curve, trying to deliver top-notch copy that converts. But what if I told you there's a way to amplify your game, to scale your business, and to seriously boost your income? I'm talking about AI tools, my friends. These aren't just fancy gadgets, they're game changers. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how they can take your copywriting career to the next level.
Let's talk about efficiency, because time is money, right? In today's fast-paced world, every second counts, and maximizing productivity is key to staying ahead. You're a copywriter, not a machine. You have creativity, ideas, and a unique voice that can't be replicated by automation. But that doesn't mean you have to do everything manually. You've got deadlines, client demands, and a million other things vying for your attention. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and stretched thin, trying to juggle all these responsibilities. AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic, these are your new best friends. They are designed to assist you, not replace you, by handling the repetitive and time-consuming tasks. They're built to take those repetitive tasks off your plate. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and is always ready to help. Think generating headlines that grab attention, headlines that are optimized for SEO and tailored to your audience. Crafting product descriptions that sell, descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your products in a compelling way. Or even writing social media posts that get engagement, posts that resonate with your followers and drive interaction. These tools use the power of AI to automate these tasks, freeing up your time and energy to focus on the good stuff, the creative thinking, the strategic planning, the client relationships that really move the needle. You can dedicate more time to brainstorming innovative ideas and developing strategies that set you apart from the competition. And the best part, when you're more efficient, you can take on more work. More clients, more projects, and more opportunities to grow your business. More output. It all translates to one thing: more revenue. Increased efficiency means you can handle a higher volume of work without compromising on quality. Think about it. If you're spending hours on tasks that AI can handle in minutes, you're literally leaving money on the table. By leveraging AI, you can reclaim those hours and invest them in activities that generate more value. These tools are designed to streamline your workflow, to help you work smarter, not harder. They integrate seamlessly into your existing processes, making it easier to manage your workload and meet your deadlines. And that, my friends, is how you win in this game. By embracing AI and leveraging its capabilities, you can boost your efficiency, increase your output, and ultimately achieve greater success in your professional endeavors.
Listen, we all know quality matters. It's the cornerstone of any successful business. You can't just churn out any old copy and expect it to convert. Mediocre content won't cut it in today's competitive market. Your clients are looking for results, and that means delivering high-quality, engaging content every single time. They want content that not only informs, but also captivates and persuades. But let's be real, maintaining that level of quality day in and day out can be tough. The pressure to consistently produce top-notch content can be overwhelming. That's where AI comes in. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. AI tools are like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. They can significantly lighten your workload and enhance your productivity. They use these crazy advanced algorithms and natural language processing to analyze successful content and figure out what makes it tick. They break down the elements of high-performing content. They learn the style, the tone, the nuances that make copy resonate with audiences. It's like having a mentor guiding you through the writing process. And then, they help you replicate that success in your own writing. They provide real-time feedback and suggestions to elevate your work. Think about tools like Grammarly or Hemingway. These are just the tip of the iceberg. They're like having a virtual editor on call 24/7, catching those pesky grammar mistakes, improving readability, and suggesting ways to make your writing even stronger. They ensure your content is polished and professional. The result? Polished, professional copy that blows your clients away. It's the kind of content that stands out and makes a lasting impression. And when your clients are happy, they come back for more. They tell their friends. They become your biggest advocates. They become walking, talking testimonials for your business. Their word-of-mouth recommendations are invaluable. That's how you build a brand on quality. And that's how you turn copywriting into a sustainable, profitable business. Consistency and quality are the keys to long-term success.
Access to data-driven insights. In today's fast-paced digital world, having access to data-driven insights is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. We're not just throwing darts at a board here, people. We're making informed decisions based on solid data. We're playing a data-driven game, and AI is the ultimate cheat code. With AI, we can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, uncovering patterns and trends that would take humans days or even weeks to identify. Imagine having access to a treasure trove of insights that tell you exactly what your audience wants, what keywords they're searching for, and what kind of content is going to resonate with them. This level of insight allows you to tailor your content strategy to meet the specific needs and desires of your target audience. That's the power of AI. It takes the guesswork out of content creation and replaces it with precision and accuracy. Platforms like MarketMuse and ClearScope are like having a crystal ball that shows you the future of your content. They provide you with detailed analysis and recommendations that can help you stay ahead of the competition. They analyze search engine data, competitor strategies, and industry trends to give you actionable insights that you can use to craft copy that converts. This means you can create content that not only attracts visitors, but also engages them and encourages them to take action. They'll tell you what keywords to target, what topics to write about, and even how to structure your content for maximum impact. This ensures that your content is optimized for search engines and is more likely to rank higher in search results. This isn't just about writing good copy, it's about writing smart copy. Smart copy is data-driven, strategic, and designed to achieve specific goals. Copy that ranks higher in search results, copy that attracts more traffic to your clients' websites, copy that turns clicks into customers. This is the kind of copy that delivers real results and drives business growth. And when you can deliver those kinds of results, you can charge a premium for your services. Clients are willing to pay more for content that delivers measurable results and helps them achieve their business objectives. You become more than just a copywriter. You become a strategic partner, a valuable asset that clients are willing to invest in. Your expertise and insights become indispensable, and your ability to drive results sets you apart from the competition.
Expanding into new markets. Look, the world is a big place and the internet has made it smaller than ever. Why limit yourself to just one market, one language, one audience, when there's a whole world of potential customers out there? AI tools can help you break down those barriers and expand your reach like never before. Think about translation tools like DeepL Translator. They're using AI to translate languages with incredible accuracy, preserving the nuances and cultural context that's so important in effective copywriting. This means you can take your existing skills and start offering your services to clients in different countries, different cultures, different languages. That's huge. It's like opening up your business to a whole new world of possibilities. You can diversify your client base, tap into new revenue streams, and grow your business exponentially. And the best part is, you don't need to be fluent in multiple languages to do it. AI has got your back.
Reducing burnout and increasing creativity. Let's be real, the hustle is real. Copywriting can be demanding, and burnout is a real thing. But it doesn't have to be that way. AI can actually help you create a more sustainable, enjoyable work-life balance by taking over those mundane, repetitive tasks that drain your energy and stifle your creativity. Think about it. How much more creative could you be if you weren't bogged down by writer's block? If you weren't spending hours on research and editing? If you had the mental space to really dive into your craft? AI tools. Free you up to focus on the things you love about copywriting: the brainstorming, the storytelling, the connection with your audience. And when you're feeling inspired and energized, your work reflects that. You produce higher quality work, you come up with more innovative ideas, and you're able to command higher fees for your unique skills and expertise. It's a win-win situation. You're happier, your clients are happier, and your business thrives.
So there you have it, my friends. AI isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now, and it's changing the game for copywriters. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about delivering exceptional quality and exceeding client expectations. It's about building a sustainable, profitable business that allows you to live the life you want. Don't be afraid to embrace these tools, to experiment, to see how they can elevate your craft. The future of copywriting is here, and it's powered by AI. So get on board, buckle up, and get ready to skyrocket your income. AI tools offer multiple avenues to increase your copywriting income by boosting efficiency, enhancing quality, providing data-driven insights, opening new markets, and reducing burnout. Embracing AI in your workflow can be the key to unlocking unprecedented growth and income potential in your copywriting career.